Conversions become a part of our daily life. For example, have you ever visited a goldsmith workshop? After gold is extracted from mines, it is brought to a goldsmith in the shape of gold biscuits, and the process of molding it into different shape begins. They place the gold in earthenware pots and melt it in an oven at high temperatures. After the metal cools, they clean it with the various types of acid and hand it over to the jewelry makers. Even for other commercial works and industrial development works, we need to convert a solid into another solid of different shape. Likewise, conversion of solid from one shape to another is required for various purposes. Some substances like wax, iron on heating changes into a liquid state, and that means they melt. At this stage, they must be transferred to the required container which has a special shape that you want. And on cooling, you will obtain a new solid which has the required shape of the container. While doing such a conversion process, we can see that a new solid is formed and the volume of the new product will be the same as the volume of the solid before conversion. Now, in this section, we will learn problems involving conversion of solid from one shape to another with no change in volume. Let's see the problem. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 cm is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 cm. Find the height of the cylinder. Let's see the solution. Since sphere is melted into a cylinder, so the volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Now find the volume of sphere. The radius is given as 4.2 cm. Now what is the equation for volume of sphere, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substitute the values. 4 by 3 pi into 4.2 cube. Now what is the volume of cylinder? Radius equal to 6 cm. Let height is equal to h cm. Volume of cylinder, the equation is pi r square into h. Now substitute the values. Pi into 6 square into h, which is equal to 36 pi into h. Now we know volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Equate both equations. 4 by 3 pi into 4.2 cube is equal to 36 pi into h. Pi got cancelled on both sides and we get 4 by 3 into 4 by 2 cube into 1 by 36 is equal to h, or h is equal to 4 by 3 into 4.2 cube into 1 by 36. H is equal to, on solving we get 2.744 centimeter. Hence, height of the cylinder is equal to 2.744 centimeter. Now, let's have a recap of what we have learned. We were discussing conversion of solid from one shape to another. Conversion of solid from one shape to another is required for various purposes. The very prime need of converting a solid comes for many industrial and commercial works. While doing such a conversion process, we have seen that a new solid is formed and the volume of the new product will be the same as the volume of the solid before conversion.